how to delete a YouTube channel permanently on phone. So what we'll simply do is we'll open our YouTube here, and after going in our YouTube, we will click on our profile, our YouTube profile, and we'll see a three dot there. We can simply click on it, and we will get option of help and support, feedback and share. I will click on help, and then we will simply search here for how to delete your YouTube channel. And then after searching that, we will see delete or hide your YouTube channel, and we can simply click on it. And after that, we will see an option of delete your channel, and we can click on that, and we'll get an option of YouTube Studio. We'll click on it, and we will simply reach in Google Chrome and click on continue to studio here. And after clicking on it, we will see an setting option there. We can simply click on the setting option, and after clicking on it, we will click on our channel here, and then we will see a lot of option here. Click on advanced setting, and if we like scroll all the way down, we will get an option of remove your YouTube channel, or remove your YouTube content. Like after clicking on it, we have to add our YouTube password, and after adding that, you will be simply able to delete your YouTube channel permanently on your phone.